This is how to make a split screen video using CapCut PC. Cut the clip to where you want it to start and finish. Crop your video to the top half. Then grab your gameplay and crop that to the bottom half. Now generate your captions using the auto caption feature. Make sure to go through the captions as they usually won't come out perfect. This is a rap video, so it was hard for CapCut to make perfect captions. Once you have sorted out the captions, you can either leave them how they are or add photos or emojis. I like to add emojis as it helps the engagement. Now you can add a subtitle and your watermark. After you have done all this, continue with the steps I showed in the previous video to improve the quality. Now your video should look something like this.
This beat aight, maybe we can safe, maybe I can smoke a blunt, I just need a light, a nigga try to fight, then I'ma up the pipe, I'ma kill him on sight, cause I ain't tryna, I'm the type to take your wife and press to the bro though, niggas they be talking, fans asking me for photos, a nigga run up swinging, he gon' catch it, that's a no-no, I ain't even tryna play, I am not a pro though, I'm with that dolo, album dropping solo, I'm doing them numbers, I'm coming with thunder, they hating on me, I know a lot of niggas saying they debating on me. Fans, they was waiting 2 years, had them waiting on me. Hey, you know I gotta put the beat on, gotta skate it for me. Passes to the bro so he can rap next. Brody in the trap, hey, you know that shit the trap fest. Everybody coming through. Remember getting trap checks, now I'm getting rap checks. They ain't getting access. I know a lot of niggas looking at me, had the back step. I know that they ain't good for me. I know the hood, they be waiting on me. A lot of niggas waiting on me. Mama, just be patient for me.
Leave a comment on what tutorials you want to see next.